The most frequent question that I receive when I'm on the road is, how many rate cuts do I expect from the Federal Reserve? There's already one rate cut by the Fed in September, and I think there will be 2 additional rounds of rate cut before the year finishes because the labor market is showing a little wobble, so to stabilize the labor market. But as we go into 2026, I think there will be 3 or 4 additional rounds of rate cut by the Fed because inflation will be fully under control in my view. Housing inflation is showing no sign of any inflationary pressure. We're getting more supply on the apartment sector, more supply on the housing inventory situation, and that will allow the Federal Reserve to make additional 3 or 4 rounds of rate cut in 2026.